Hi guys, I'm Ray and welcome back to another fantastic video tutorial. In today's video tutorial, we're going to learn how to stay updated with all the latest contests on RecipeBook app. So the first thing you need to do is open up RecipeBook on your phone. So as you can see, the moment you open up the app, the first thing that pops up is a little bit of information about our latest contest. So you can see the latest contest is the Quick Bites. All you gotta do is click on the share button right there to view the live contest, which is Quick Bites, the upcoming contest, which is Bake My Day, and the contest that we've done in the past. So if you click on any of these contests that we've done in the past, let's say traditional recipes, you can check out the number of participants, the number of recipes that were uploaded, and all the yummy prizes that were won by the various delicious chefs. So if you go back, you'll be able to view the upcoming contest, which is Bake My Day, and you can also check out the criteria and the conditions for that, as well as the yummy prizes that we have there for you. Going back, you'll be able to view the live contest, which is the Quick Bites. Now if you click on that, this is the current contest that is running, and you can check out the number of days left to participate in this contest. You can check out the recipes, the number of participants, contest details, rules, as well as the yummy prizes right there. If you scroll right down, you'll also see the Join Contest button. By clicking on that, you'll be able to upload your yummy recipe in order to participate in our contest. To learn more on how to participate in a contest, do check out our other video tutorials. Now going back to our homepage, you can also access the contest page by simply clicking on the menu button right there on the top and then clicking on Contest. You'll be able to view the live contest, the upcoming contest, and the contests that we've done in the past. So it's as simple as that, guys. Do be sure to enter in all of your yummy recipes onto our contest page, especially to our upcoming contest, which is Bake My Day, where we have prizes worth 35,000 rupees. That's absolutely awesome. Now, if you liked today's video, do give me a big thumbs up. Be sure to check out all of our yummy other video tutorials. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.